Welcome to a short video on how to make your Moodle PowerPoints more accessible. Making your module materials more accessible means that anyone, no matter their needs, can more fully experience your learning. Our Moodle platform uses a plugin called ALLY, which gives any Word or PowerPoint files you upload an accessibility score, and then can assist you on making your materials more accessible. Only staff can see the dials and scores, and the score is a reflection of how accessible an item is and how severely it could affect your students. The plugin also allows students to download alternative formats of your course materials so that they can engage with the content in formats that work better with their devices and their study tools. Go to your Moodle page and navigate to your PowerPoint file. A small colored icon called an accessibility rating indicator, only visible to you and not your students, will be displayed next to your file. These indicators will be either red, orange, or green, depending on how your file scores for accessibility. Clicking on the indicator will run the ALLY plugin, which will display a score for your document. If you click on All Issues, ALLY will display a list of problems affecting your accessibility score. Clicking on an issue will provide you with more information via the buttons that appear, describing the issue in more detail and offering advice on how to fix it. To improve your accessibility score, first, click on the download icon to save the original file to the Downloads folder on your computer. When the download is complete, you can double-click on the file name to open the file in PowerPoint. Once PowerPoint opens, click on the button that appears and enable editing. Next, click on Review in the menu bar and then click on the Check Accessibility button and select Check Accessibility. PowerPoint will display its Accessibility Assistant, which will analyze your document and help you fix any issues that it finds. First is the Quick Fix section, which detects shapes that can be marked as decorative and therefore safely ignored by screen reading software. If you click on the Review button, the assistant will display any shapes it finds and ask you to confirm that they are decorative. You can select all and easily do this for all decorative shapes in the document. Click on the Next button to continue. In the Color and Contrast section, PowerPoint has detected a color combination that is hard to read. Clicking on the button will highlight the hard-to-read text and suggest a more suitable text or shape color, which can be easily changed by clicking on a suitable replacement. Next, click on the Missing Alt Text button. This will highlight any instances in your document where an image has no description. If an image meaningfully contributes to the information on the page, it should be given a meaningful description. PowerPoint lets you quickly do this by typing in the description box, or it can auto-generate a description that can be easily amended. You can also mark any image as purely decorative at this stage. Missing table headers make tables hard to interpret properly in screen readers, so clicking on the Use First Row as Header button can fix this problem. Merged or split cells can also cause issues, so PowerPoint will provide you with guidance on how to better design your slides for maximum accessibility. Also, any missing slide titles detected by the assistant can quickly be fixed by selecting some text and clicking on the Set as Slide Title button. Finally, clicking the Check Reading Order button lets you fine-tune the order of the objects on any slides that PowerPoint detects may not be in the right sequence for screen reading software. When the checks are complete, click on the File menu and select Save to save the new version of your file to your computer. Back in the Ally plugin, click on the Browse button and select the file from the location it was saved in. The file will now be re-evaluated and given a new accessibility score. If you now click on the X to close the plugin, you will be returned to your Moodle page, and your new accessibility rating will appear next to your file name. Thanks for watching.